Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos, and today we will be doing another cooking video. Today I'm going to be making you some spaghetti bolognese. So yeah, without further ado, let's get things going. I have got something set up and prepared as we speak, just to get things going a little bit. Stay tuned. Don't go away. Make sure you subscribe. I want to see subscribers. I know I see some of you. I'm checking you guys. Some of you are subscribing and then unsubscribing, and then yeah, I'm watching you. I'm coming for you. I know who you are. Subscribe. Okay guys, here we go. We got a frying pan. We got a pan. Don't worry, there's just some hot water in there. It's boiling. We are going to be putting the spaghetti inside there. And here, I've just turned it on. I'm going to put some oil in it. We are going to be adding the mince. So let me just get some the lovely olive oil. Pour it in there. Yep, good to go. And then just shake up a little bit so it gets oily all around the edges. Well, edges. Or it gets oily, okay? And then what you need to do. This is 700 grams of mince. I did want to get a kilo, but somebody stopped me. Now, oh shit. Okay, that made a mess. Get that going. Spread it out. You know. Get it nice and evenly all around, because you want it to cook. You need it to cook properly, of course. So what I'm going to add is turmeric. Okay, some salt. Okay, the key is salt. The key is the whole ingredients. You are going to add ground black pepper. A tiny bit of chili. Now this is extra hot chili, and we are not a type, well, I personally don't like chili, but I'm just putting this in there just to give it a little bit of taste. That's all it is, nothing more. That's done. But the best part is yet to come. Saffron. This is the gold. This is what's going to give it that nice fragrance. It's going to give it that nice look, the nice taste, the nice smell. It's going to be beautiful. What I'm going to do is add a little bit of water in there. Just to get things cooking. Add a little bit more oil. No more oil, but I am going to add some more saffron. I think I didn't put enough. This needs to get that yummy taste. I've got a challenge here. I've got to beat someone else's spaghetti making. Someone thinks they can make better spaghetti than me in the house. Nope. So, I'm just going to borrow the lid of this. Okay, put it on there. Now, get one pack of spaghetti. Right. Get a pack of spaghetti. Put it in the middle, twist it, let it sink in. My hands are clean, So we're all good. And then obviously what you want to do is add a little bit of salt in there as well, so it's not so tasteless. And at the same time you want to stir it, because if you leave it in there for too long they will all stick together and go mushy. So yeah, just give it a stir every now and then, here and there. Do that. I'll leave that be for now. Let's check up on this. Okay, what I'm gonna add to this is tomato puree. Tomato puree, if none of you guys heard that correctly. There you go. Get it all in there. Guys, spaghetti Bolognese is such a nice yummy food. And I am hungry, guys, as always. The hunger never stops. Okay. Now what you need to do, simple, mix it. Nothing difficult, is it, guys? Here's my little spinning thing. Give it a little stir, make sure it doesn't stick together, because we don't want that, obviously. You see how the water is like evaporated and there's just mainly the oil left. Obviously the steam, there's still more water in there, but most of it has gone. So it's just the meat and some oil around it, which you need it juicy, oily, because you don't want it to be too dry. Yeah, we're going to leave that set for a little bit more. And back onto this pasta. Alright, that's soft enough, that's cooked. It's still going to cook a little bit more anyway. I've switched off the gas. We're just going to drain it. Be careful, guys, when you want to do this. It's hot water. You don't want none of that spilling on you. It will burn. This is how we're going to be making a crispy bread. Just get a nice circle bread. Dip it right at the bottom there. Tuck it in. Happy days. Leave that there. You just want to get a spoon of that. Put it in the base. Just spread it out a little bit. You want the colours, guys. You don't want it just plain and simple. Okay? You want it juicy, colourful, and nice. You guys know the Turkish lahmacun, the Turkish pizza? That's what it looks like. Off it goes. Just chuck it all in there. Right? And the best bit about it, same thing with that. Done. No messing around, no taking time, guys. We make food here, quick. Right, guys, that's in there. Just mix this up a little bit so the pasta also changes colour, and you want the meat to mix in with it. But try and be careful not to move the bread from the base, because it's oily underneath, though it's slippery. It can easily just swoop. Leave that to cook for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Come back and it's going to be ready. Just do another mix. Guys, look at the colours. See, this is what I'm talking about, guys. These rich colours is nice. Just wish I had a little bit more meat. Anyway, it is what it is. So, let me get the bowl. Look at that, guys. See that? Where's that meat? Just add some of the meat on there. Whilst I leave that to cook, just listen to that noise. That sizzling noise, guys. And there you have it. your spaghetti. Oh, I just burnt my finger. Your spaghetti bolognese. Some black pepper in there and Parmesan cheese on top. Bon appetit. Guys, remember I told you about the crispy bread at the base? Let me just wash my hands so I don't burn it again. There you go. I've done it half flipped it. This is what it looks like on the bottom. This is what it looks like with all the juice in that in there. It looks a little bit dry maybe in the camera, I don't know, I can't tell. But this is crispy and hot. It's packed full of taste, guys. Hold on. Yeah, boy. There you are. Enjoy. Enjoy. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come